Alright guys, here's the update. It's 10:18 our time, Arizona time, and
we are stranded.
We've been told that we're
here.
gonna be stuck here till the morning because there's an accident in front of us, and Mehmet just pooped into
the car, and then
99 bag.
And then they put it inside.
We put it on the side because we're stuck
and then
here.
Bubba put it under the car, which was totally yuck. And now we're gonna see Bubba do my jacket.
So we have
dead.
we have dumplings, but they're still frozen.
But what
Oh, can we do the ninja stove bar? We can cook some soup and invite people over.
我们还有那个炒饭呢。
Oh man, that's making me like 想吐了。
妈，我要吃。
Don't eat, okay? 你们吃就要吐吐。
How do I stand on the board?
妹妹有 fleece pants because we just bought it at Barstow. Oh man. So everybody don't drink and don't eat because there's no restrooms, okay?
Man, we should have just stay at our original
I told
place.
you 吧，我就说要在 Prescott because 妹妹不舒服。哦呀，要吃药了。Here's our Benadryl and Tylenol. All right, man, are you okay? Guys, this is not a time to fight, okay? We're
I'm
stranded
trying to get Bubba to do it.
in the mountains, okay? All right, pray for us, guys. I hope this is not our last video, okay?
No, wait.